All right. Probably maybe I should show you guys. I tried recording. I didn't know it wasn't recording. Okay, so I did this trade, okay, which is already won. And this is the trade I just did. Um, what time was it? You can see there were two trades simultaneously. Okay, so the time was this. Uh, that's 2:16. That's 2 minutes 2 minutes ago. Um, I tried recording, okay, but it wasn't pulling through. Uh, I don't know whether maybe because I didn't press it or something, but I want to go over probably the trades I've done for today's session. Okay, okay. This is today's section. So I've had one, two, three. That's like 5 trades. Okay, when I was trying to do the fourth one or something, when I was trying to do this earlier this morning, I think whether the thing paused, it wasn't just recording anyway because I was using my laptop instead of my phone. So I started using my laptop for recording. So I guess that's one of the reasons why I had that issue. The one that I recorded was without audio, so I just felt like, okay, let me do a record, let me do one more trade and probably record it and then go through this result. Now, in the result, it's more of like saying what is 0.16 LTC to USD. Okay, this will let us know how much I actually made. Um, okay, that's 194. Okay, that's 1946. Okay, so that's like $12. So today, we made $12. Okay, $12 in naira is how much? Oh, I don't know. It should be around 19,000 or something. Okay, so that's slow and steady. That's 12.14 times 1590. In fact, 16 is now 16. So your selling is 16. So that's 19,400. Okay, 19,400 for the day. That's good enough. Okay, with how much? I need you to understand with how much was I trading? I was trading with 0.497. That's like $31. Okay, 497. Okay, 497. That's $31. So $31 to make $12. That's good. To make $9, that's good. To make whether even $6 or $7, the target is always actually to make 10,000 daily. Afterwards, I'm going to up the game. Okay, you can see I've shown you the number of trades that were done for the day. I'm done for today, so the next should be tomorrow. All right, I just feel like showing and sharing this, and I think okay, for those probably who might be watching who would also want probably this same signal, I'm going to update this same signal uh, to my signal service so that uh, people can access it. Now, I will also add the options where you can disable or enable the one you want. So if it is this you want or this you want. Now, this provides both buy and sell signal, but it's purely for goes outside. Okay, it's purely for goes outside. You can see my robot is still trading. Okay, it has done its own trade today. Uh, Remember, I told you the robot is doing even higher size. Okay, the barrier I am using to trade, this robot is using a bigger, higher size that can give you 10%. Okay, but uh, you want consistency. You want to have best of results. You don't want to even experience a loss. The lesser, the better. And the lesser trade you have, the better result you're going to get. So It's as good as that. God bless you, and I will see you in another video.